Today I am reviewing the Skytech Aqua Gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with the heart of this machine, the AMD Ryzen 7 7800X 3D processor, clocking in at 4.2 GHz and turbo boosting up to a blazing 5.0 GHz. What makes this CPU special is AMD's 3D V-Cache technology. It dramatically improves gaming performance by reducing latency and giving your games more breathing room when it comes to memory access. Whether you're diving into open-world RPGs like Elden Ring, Shadow of the Erdtree, or playing fast-paced shooters like Call of Duty, this CPU handles it all with zero stutter and ultra-fast responsiveness. Backing up this gaming muscle is the brand-new NVIDIA GeForce RTX 7012GB GDDR5 graphics card. This GPU is a step up in performance and efficiency compared to the previous generation. Thanks to DLSS 3.5 and advanced ray tracing cores, you can enjoy ultra-high detail, stunning lighting effects, and buttery smooth frame rates across modern titles. Games like Cyberpunk 2077, Baldur's Gate 3, and Helldivers 2 look breathtaking. And more importantly, they run consistently at 60+ FPS even on high to ultra settings at 1440p and beyond. To complement the graphics and CPU performance, this PC is loaded with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 6000 MHz. This isn't just about multitasking. It's about next-level game loading speeds, zero bottlenecks when streaming, and handling software like Adobe Premiere, DaVinci Resolve, or Unreal Engine without hiccups. Alongside that, you get a 1TB Gen4 NVMe SSD. That's up to 30 times faster than a traditional hard drive. Boot times are practically instant, and you can load massive open-world maps in seconds. One of the standout features of the Skytech Aqua is its 360mm ARGB liquid cooling system. This isn't your standard AIO. It's a high-end thermal solution with vibrant RGB fans, ensuring your CPU stays cool even during marathon gaming sessions. The system is quiet, efficient, and eliminates any chance of thermal throttling. You'll get full performance without the fans sounding like a jet engine. Design-wise, the Skytech Aqua case is a work of art. With dual tempered glass panels, a clean white and blue aesthetic, and a display platform inside, it doesn't just perform well, it turns heads. It's the kind of case you'll want to showcase on your desk, not hide under it. Connectivity is top tier too. You're getting USB 3.2, USB 3.0, USB 2.0, HDMI and DisplayPort outputs, built-in Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth support. Whether you're plugging in a VR headset, streaming gear, or multiple monitors, this rig has the ports to handle it. And for gamers on the go, the included gaming keyboard and mouse are a solid bonus. This PC comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home 64-bit, bloatware-free, and fully optimized. It's assembled in the USA, comes with a 1-year warranty, and includes free lifetime technical support, which is perfect peace of mind for serious buyers. But let's talk real-world performance. This PC can easily run the latest AAA titles like Dragon's Dogma 2, Black Myth Wukong, Marvel Rivals, and Counter-Strike 2 on ultra settings at 1440p and even at 4K with slight tweaks, all while maintaining over 60 frames per second. For competitive titles like Valorant, Fortnite, or Apex Legends, you'll be getting frame rates well above 100 FPS.